Hi everyone, today I want to make your life a little bit easier and I wanted to do an unboxing and overview of these replacement batteries for your Ring camera. I have in my backyard one of the Ring stick-up cams and spotlight cams that are solar powered. So for the solar powered ones, you have to insert 1 to 2 of these rechargeable batteries. So I installed these cameras about 2 or 3 years ago and they've been amazing. But the problem is, over time with these solar power batteries constantly being charged, it doesn't hold on to the strength as you would want it to over an extended period of time because it's always being charged. So at some point in its lifetime, you will have to replace the batteries. So I'm at that point right now with my spotlight cam, and you go online and one single rechargeable Ring battery for those cameras is $34. That's one. And most of the time you need two, like in my case, you need two. They have the primary and then they have the backup in case the primary dies. So I did some digging and I came across these, and I've used these in my other stick-up cam already, but they are a generic based version of the Ring batteries. And here's the difference. One of those Ring rechargeable batteries, $34.99, like I said. A 2-pack of these with the same exact everything costs $16.99. 16 bucks for two. You can even go 4 or 6 packs. A 3-pack is $34.99. A 4-pack is $31.44. I mean, you can't beat the price. You can get multiple of these and constantly have extra on hand that you can recharge over time and have as a spare in your house for the same price as one with the Ring branding on it. Like I said, these are completely compatible. And the thing that I noticed is they charge a lot faster. So the first time you charge those Ring batteries, usually it takes about 8 to 12 hours, sometimes a full day, to give it that full charge that you need to put into your camera. These guys right here, I noticed within 4 to 5 hours, they were fully charged, 100%, working great, and still my camera out back is still reading at 100%. So if you're looking for a way to save a little money here and to keep your hardware for your camera up to date, I highly recommend these. I haven't had any issues with them yet, and you can't beat the price. So go check it out.